Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Imran guys. My ID is 12408049. Today we'll talk about the C program. So the title is Introduction to C program. So what is C programming? C is the general purpose procedural programming language. It is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Labs. It is known for its efficiency, flexibility, and portability. It has founded the base of many modern languages like C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript. The key features of C programming: simple and efficient, easy to learn and use, fast execution, compact language with low level memory access. It executes fastly because it executes bitwise. Modular structure supports functions for code reusability. Rich library provides built-in functions for various tasks. It has a rich library because it supports third-party libraries like OpenGL for graphics. It has a better memory management. It allows manual memory allocation with malloc and free. The structure of a C program. A simple C program consists of the following parts. Number 1. Preprocessor directives like hash include standard input output dot h, which means standard input output header file. Secondly, it has a main function which we write int main. And number 3, variable declaration like integer a, float b. Number 4, statements and expressions like printf or scanf. And at the end, the return statement, which is normally return 0, where return 1 means an error. Structure of a C program. Now here we see a code, a simple code. It is hash include stdio.h or standard input output header file, because inside the main function we see printf, which is in this standard input output library. Data types in C programming. In C programming we work with so many kinds of data like int for integer values, float for decimal numbers, char for single character, double for large decimal numbers, and also void, which has no values. Conditional statements in C. We can control our program with control statements, and we can make a decision like 1. If it executes a block of code if a condition is true. Number 2. If else executes different blocks based on conditions. It is like if the condition is true, it will execute the following code, and if it is not true, it will not be executed. Switch. We also can particularly select which code to execute. Also we have looping statements. Number 1, for it repeats code for a fixed number of times. Also we have while it repeats code while a condition is true. We also have do while It executes at least once, then checks the condition. For example, here the code will be executed. After it gets executed once, its value for here the variable is I, its value will be executed, its value will be incremented by 1. So for example, its initial value was 1. After it gets executed, it will turn into 2, and this loop will work 5 times, and the final value will be 5. Conclusion: why we should learn C? Because it forms the foundation of other programming languages. So it helps to understand low level system programs. We use it in various platforms. We use it in embedded systems, game development, also operating systems programming. In the real world, we use this on operating systems like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Also, embedded systems like microcontrollers, IoT devices. We also can develop game engines using this C program. We can also make compilers, also interpreters using this basic C language. Thank you.